Hello everyone. Today I want to share a beautiful story, a story that teaches us how to stay happy in every situation. It is a simple story, but it has a deep meaning. One day, a man was walking through a small village. He saw an old lady sitting outside her house. She was smiling, feeding the birds, and enjoying the morning air. The man looked at her and felt surprised. He went near and said, Grandma, you always look happy. How do you stay happy in every situation? The old lady smiled and said, My child, I was not like this always. The man sat beside her and said, Really? Then what changed you? The old lady looked at the sky and said, When I was young, I used to complain a lot. If it rained, I said, Oh no, it is too wet. If it was sunny, I said, It's too hot. If someone did not behave well, I got angry. If something went wrong, I became sad. I never felt peace inside. The man listened quietly. The old lady continued. One day, a wise monk came to our village. People said he had peace in his eyes. I went to him and said, Sir, I want to be happy, but I don't know how. The monk smiled and said, My dear, life will never be perfect, but your mind can be. He said, You can't control what happens outside you, but you can control what happens inside you. The old lady said, That one line changed my life. She took a deep breath and said, From that day, I started to thank God for what I have instead of crying for what I don't have. I started appreciating what I already have. The man asked, So, Grandma, what do you do when something bad happens? The old lady smiled and said, When something bad happens, I ask myself only one question: Can I change it? If yes, I try my best. If no, I accept it and smile. She said softly, I understood that peace does not come when everything is perfect. Peace comes when we stop fighting with life. The man looked at her with respect and said, So, the secret of happiness is acceptance and gratitude? The old lady nodded and said, Yes, my child, happiness is not in people, not in money, not in things. It's in your heart. When you stop complaining and start thanking, your life starts shining. The man smiled and said, Thank you, Grandma. You opened my eyes today. The old lady smiled and said, Go and spread smiles. That's how happiness grows. So, friends, this story tells us something very important. We all want happiness, but we look for it in the wrong places. We think we will be happy when we get more money, when people respect us, when everything goes our way. But the truth is, happiness is not a result of situations, it is a result of our attitude. When you wake up in the morning and say, Thank you for this new day, you already start your day with happiness. When you stop comparing your life with others, you start feeling peaceful. And when you when you accept life as it is, you start living with joy. So from today, promise yourself no more complaining, no more negative thinking, Be thankful, smile more, and keep your heart light because happiness is not something you find, it's something you create. So, thank you, friends. We will meet in the next video.